Over 2 days, delegates from 28 global governments and leaders of major artificial intelligence corporations convened at the inaugural AI Safety Summit. This unique event took place in London. Notable participants included representatives from the US and Chinese governments, visionary entrepreneur Elon Musk, and Sam Altman, the CEO of OpenAI. In a groundbreaking development, the host, British Prime Minister Rishi Sunak, announced a significant agreement between like-minded governments and artificial intelligence companies. These stakeholders have come together to establish a crucial protocol for testing new AI models before their release. This announcement came during the two-day AI Safety Summit, where Prime Minister Sunak made a significant stride in international AI governance. On the previous day, Sunak secured the support of China, a major player in the AI arena, for a global initiative to manage the risk associated with the transformative technologies. The core of this initiative revolves around the systematic testing of AI modes to ensure their safety and ethical considerations. However, it's worth noting that the list of participating countries did not include China, as their representatives were notably absent during the second day of discussions. The countries that did engage in these talks include the United States, the European Union, France, Germany, Italy, Japan, South Korea, Singapore, Canada, and Australia. This international collaboration underscores the importance of fostering responsible AI development. When questioned about the absence of China from discussions related to AI model testing, Prime Minister Sunak clarified that while it's essential to engage with China in accordance with the Britain's policy, they must also take measures to protect against potential risks. Despite not participating in these discussions, China was invited to various parts of the summit. According to a statement by the chair, it is imperative to develop frontier artificial intelligence technology with a strong emphasis on safety. The participants emphasized the need for rigorous assessments of potential risks associated with the new AI models before and after deployment. This includes a thorough evaluation of potentially harmful capabilities. At the heart of the gathering was a strong emphasis on establishing global coordination and standards in the realm of AI safety. This culminated in the signing of the Bletchley Declaration, a pact endorsed by 28 countries. The declaration outlines a commitment to enhance transparency from AI developers concerning safety practices and promotes increased scientific collaboration to comprehend the risks associated with artificial intelligence. After the successful AI Safety Summit attended by more than 100 world leaders, the UK Prime Minister had an in-conversation event with billionaire Elon Musk. Elon Musk told Sunak, and I quote, "There will be a time when jobs will not be needed as AI will be the most disruptive force in history." Rajiv Chandrasekhar, the Union Minister of State for Skill Development and Entrepreneurship and Electronics and IT, represented India and delivered a keynote address during the inaugural plenary session. In its speech, he underscored India's perspective on artificial intelligence, emphasizing the nation's unwavering dedication to AI with the primary emphasis on safety, trust, and accountability. This momentous agreement between like-minded governments and AI industry leaders represents a significant step towards ensuring the responsibility, development, and deployment of AI models. As the AI landscape continues to evolve, this global collaboration aims to address the critical issues of safety and ethical considerations.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.